Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Today I have an exciting unboxing. Yes, you're seeing right. I am going to show you my new babies. So let me just get everything out of here and show you. I have avoided looking very thorough at all these things just because I really want to open it with you guys. So I got a Hobonichi Cousin. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to use it for, but hey, I'm going to unbox it. Alright, so I got this cute little bag and it says, "How are you?" I love the color. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this because it's super small, but anyways. Life is present. I don't know what this is. It is in another language, but it's cute and I'm keeping it. I guess it's to show you why you can use it, like how you can use your planner. I did get it from an Etsy shop because it was so expensive getting it from the Hobonichi website. And all right, this is the name, the Dragon Kitty store. That's the name of the store that I got it in. All right, so I also got this pen, and I got the Hobonichi Cousin, no, the Hobonichi Techo this past summer, and I've been loving it. Oh my gosh, I can't get this out of here. All right, let me just show you. And I had to get the Hobonichi Cousin. All right, so I got the Abec. This is called the Abec, and what that is, if you're not familiar with the Hobonichi, is that you get the planner but divided in half. That makes sense. So the first book you get January to June, the second book you get July through December, and this is great for someone that likes to do a lot of decorating and wants to put a lot of stuff in their planner, because these planners get really thick, which is something that I absolutely love. So let me show you how it looks on the inside. It is so pretty, you guys. I love. So it's just really basic. I love the sound. Is it weird that I love the sound of this paper? I don't know, I just love it. All right, so here's the year at a glance for 2024, 2023, and 2025. And we have this section here that I don't know what to do with it. I have to watch a couple of videos. And then we have the monthly. This is really simple monthly, but I love how big the boxes are. Love that. So yeah, we have all the way to June in here, and then we are let me show you the weekly. You guys, it's been a minute since I've done a video like this, so I feel kind of weird. All right, so here we have the weekly. Y'all, I love the weekly. I love the vertical layout. That has been my baby for a really long time. The weeklies are vertical, but you also get a daily in the back, which I am in love with, by the way, because I have fallen in love with the daily planning. I have been doing it on my little Hobonichi A6, the Techo. I think that's what it's called. And I absolutely love it. So that's why I got the Cousin. In the back section here, you get a few pages. So you get some pages to do whatever you want in there. And well, that says timetable. And then you could do a few things back here. I seriously haven't looked at this in depth because I really wanted to check it out with you guys. And then the rest of the year, it's basically the same thing. I mean, the monthly, you start from July through December, and then you just get the daily. Let me see if at the end, yep, at the end you have a few more of those pages. But I want to have these nice and chunky, and I am so excited. Anything else? All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. I am back. I am filming a few videos because I've been falling behind on my filming because a lot of things have happened. I've had sick boys and all of that stuff. But thank you all for watching this video. I will talk to you all soon in my next one. Bye.